And I guess let's see if we can take a walk today outside. This morning, our Marissa Wallace is out at the Racine Zoo with a TMJ4 storm chaser, checking out all the cool jack-o'-lanterns there this morning. Marissa, how's it going?
It is going great. Actually, outside right now, it's really not that bad. So if you're hoping to go for a walk today, go the first half of the day because temperatures aren't that bad this morning and they're not going to be that bad through about the lunch hour. But we do have a cold front coming through. It's going to bring us some rain. It's going to bring us some colder air as well. But let's start off with your temperatures across the area. We are waking up this morning, again, relatively mild. Currently, we are looking at temperatures towards the lakefront, 60 in Milwaukee, 61 in Port Washington, upper 50s, Sheboygan, Racine, and Kenosha. Inland spots, you are looking at temperatures at this hour in the low to mid 50s. And just think about it this way, Burlington and Lake Geneva, you started off yesterday morning in the upper 30s, so you're about 15 degrees warmer than that. A couple of light showers have moved just to our south today. It was kind of the decaying system that was going to bring us a chance for some sprinkles after sunset last night. Obviously, most of us did not see anything at all. But bigger picture, we do have a cold front off to our northwest. That is on its way. It's going to move across the state today, and that is going to bring some windy conditions, especially behind the front, and then also some showers and a chance for some thunderstorms right along the front. So let's time it out here on your future forecast. We'll start off this morning, just more clouds pushing through. Most of us still completely dry between now and about 10 o'clock, though for those of you that live farther to the north, Fond du Lac, Sheboygan, Beaver Dam, a chance to see a couple of showers by 10 o'clock, but more so as we get near the lunch hour. Now we see the bulk of the moisture still to the north, but we'll have a couple of light showers even around the city of Milwaukee and out towards Whitewater by noon, and then eventually showers pick up as we get closer to 2 o'clock, and then by 4 o'clock, we'll start to see more of the rain work its way farther to the south, down towards Racine and Kenosha, and then eventually that front continues to move off to the southeast. So you can see this is mainly an afternoon cold front. That's when we'll see all of the changes going on, including with our temperatures. Though we'll have a couple of showers likely lingering along the lake as we head into tonight and tomorrow. And those are the lake effect rain showers. I misspoke during the 4:30 and said snow. My gosh, I couldn't believe those words came out of my mouth. Anyway, so let's take a look at your temperatures today. These temperatures, highs in the low to mid to upper 60s, will happen around about 11 o'clock or noon today. So that's much earlier than what we normally see because the cold front's coming through this afternoon. But you can see our winds. We are going to have some gusty winds behind this front, looking at some wind gusts picking up later today. These are sustained winds, about 10 to 20 miles per hour. Gusts will be near 30 miles per hour as we head into this evening. Now let's take a look at your 7-day forecast. As we get into tomorrow, we'll start off near 40 towards lakefront, 30s inland by the afternoon, low 50s. Saturday will be the cold morning. We are looking at upper 30s towards lakefront, then upper 20s and low 30s inland. So widespread frost, likely a freeze too, and potentially the hard freeze. So at about 28 degrees in a couple locations Saturday morning. So get ready for some cold temperatures.